SRGMs.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to transform the simple bottle caps which we normally throw away into a beautiful underwater scene like this. Isn't it lovely? Okay, let me tell you what you will need. All that you will need is a sheet of blue paper. Honestly, if you don't have blue paper, you can just take some white paper and paint it in shades of blue. Even that works. Bottle caps, the more colorful, the better. Some acrylic markers, googly eyes if you have some. Otherwise, you can just draw them. Scraps of colorful paper, earbuds, some white paint, and of course, glue and scissors. Remember always to get adult help when you're using scissors. Okay, so let's begin. First, let's take some colorful paper. I've taken yellow paper and cut it into triangles for the tail of the fish. Like this. Now, let's take the bottle caps. Let's take 5 bottle caps and paint them with the mouth and scales of the fish, like this. There you go. That was simple enough. Now, let's take a tiny bit of glue and stick the googly eyes. Take very little, otherwise it'll smudge. And here we take our googly eyes and stick them onto the fish. Okay, so here are our fish with their scales and their googly eyes. Now, let's take the tail of the fish and stick it with some glue. Give it a slightly rounded feel so that they stick perfectly with the bottle caps. Like this. And put the bottle cap on. It'll take a little while for them to stick. Let's keep them aside and let's make the corals and the seaweed that you see underwater. I've used corrugated paper strips like this to make it. Here's how I cut them. You make a slightly triangular edge and then just cut up the leaves like this. Remember to ask an adult to help you when you are doing the cutting. And similarly on the other side. There you go, that's one of the leaves. And then you can try and make different shapes of coral using different colors. I've taken red, purple, white. So here we go. All our corals are ready. Our fish are ready. Now let's take the blue sheet of paper. First stick the corals and the seaweeds and then the fish. So just use a little bit of glue and stick them on as you like. You can have lots of corals. You can put more color. Exactly the way you imagine it and the way you see the underwater world. Press it on so it gets stuck properly. The purple. And here we use some red. Press them on a bit so that they stick properly. But here you go. These are your corals. Now let's stick the fish. Put a little glue around the entire bottle cap so it sticks well. This will take a little while to stick. Do it neatly. So just stick the glue all around the edge of the bottle cap and here on the tail and press it hard so that it sticks properly. Now this will take some time to dry, and while it's drying, why don't we make some bubbles coming out of the fish's mouths? So here we go, we take the white paint and just a earbud and use that to make bubbles coming out of the fish's mouths. There you go. There you go. Your underwater scene is ready. What do you think?
Go, sir, go, sir, goes.